Hi all, I will show you how to find the current Wi-Fi network's password on Windows. Let's go. It is a quick guide step by step. So step number 1, you need to go to control panel, then network and internet, and then in the third step, network and sharing center. Then you need to select the current Wi-Fi connection. Post that, you need to click on wireless properties, and then you need to go to security tab and click on show characters. I have showcased some of the screens that you have to go to navigate that particular screen. You need to go to control panel, then network and internet, and then network and sharing center, and this is the current in this area you need to view the current connection, and then in the next you need to click. It will show this window, Wi-Fi status. It will show. You need to click on wireless properties, and then you need to click on this security tab, and then you need to click on show characters. That way you will be able to see the current network security key that could be used to share to your colleague and friends or family members. Now just I'm illustrating the same steps here. You need to type control panel, and there now click on this view network status task, and there then click on this. It is my current connection. Then click on wireless properties, then click on security tab, and then click on show characters. This is my key. Okay, this is the password that I wanted for. Okay, thanks guys.